In every heart a dream is born, a world of love where none forlorn. Different voices, one refrain. Together we can